And so what you really face and I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason. The riches and modalities are just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our